Welcome to the tutorial on creating character-consistent videos using the GLab's automation tool. If you are experiencing issues with characters changing faces, outfits, or styles between scenes, in this video, I will guide you through an automated process to maintain character consistency from the beginning to the end of the video. We will go step by step, from setting up the original character, building the workflow in GLab's automation, to creating batches of scenes while keeping the character's identity stable. Let's get started right away. How to create character images using ChatGPT. For a character to appear consistently across multiple scenes, episodes, or different videos, you should create a specific design sheet for each character before making the video. Instead of just requesting create an animated boy, describe the physical appearance, clothing, accessories, personality, and desired visual style in as much detail as possible. For example, instead of writing, create an adventurous boy, write, create a character design sheet for Liu in a miniature Pixar animation style, a 10-year-old male character with short blonde hair, blue eyes, a cute round face, wearing a red jacket, carrying a brown explorer backpack, and holding a magical compass. Generate a full front view, side view, back view, and a turnaround sheet on a white background, keeping the appearance consistent. Then, ChatGPT can generate a complete character design sheet to serve as a reference image for VO3, Kling, or other AI video creation tools. Each character should have a unique identifier like @Liu, @Luna, or @Ki for easy management and reuse throughout the project. Tips for writing scripts to correctly assign characters in the video. When writing a script for an AI video, you should set a fixed name for each character and use the same name throughout the entire story. The best way is to add an @ symbol before the character's name to create a unique identifier. For example, @Liu, @Luna, @K. When generating the video, reference images can be assigned to each character code accordingly. This helps the system understand exactly which character is appearing in each scene and reduces confusion about their appearance. For example, first @Liu runs into the magical forest to find the treasure. Then @Liu discovers an old map under a tree. Next, @Luna appears and helps @Liu decode the map. In the example above, the system can accurately determine that @Liu's reference image will be used for the explorer boy, while @Luna's reference image will be used for the magician girl. If you just write, the boy runs into the forest, then the girl appears. AI might struggle to determine the corresponding reference image for each character, especially when the story has multiple people. Therefore, you should use the @symbols along with the character's name in the design sheet, script, and video generation prompt to ensure consistency and accuracy. Now that the character images have been created, I will review and filter them, keeping only the designs I want to use in the folder. I prefer this small, cute character idea, so I will discard the option of using realistic human images. In the interface for generating videos from components, click on the Character Library section. Go back to the Image Creation section to check the storage folder and select that exact folder in the Character Library to easily access the reference images. I will proceed to rename the character images to match the script. Here is a note regarding naming the images. We also have two modes, exact match or keyword match only. The script is ready. Note that if you insert multiple line breaks in a single prompt, you need to change this option so the system is compatible. I will run it using the OmniFlash model with a concurrent processing thread count of 5. I wrote a very simple prompt for a test run. However, the quality still ensures consistent faces, outfits, and styles across every frame. Let's try again with a different script. I will delete all old results and run it again with a new character and a new video. When you input the prompt and all tags show up in red, this issue is because you haven't renamed the characters to match. Rename them and re-add the prompt to the board, checking until all character names show green tags to complete the process. I will continue running with the Omni Flash model and 10 concurrent processing threads for a faster generation time. There's quite an interesting detail. When I made the script example above, I wrote it a bit hastily to test the workflow, so I only focused on the design sheet, how to place the @character name symbol, and how to divide the scenes. As a result, I forgot something extremely important, the character's dialogue. If you notice, the entire example only had actions like running, searching, and discovering clues, but no character spoke a word. Meanwhile, with the current VO3 tool, we can absolutely add dialogue so that the AI also generates voice, emotion, and even lip syncs. For example, instead of just writing, @Leo discovers the missing crystal, you can write, @Leo discovers the missing crystal. Dialogue, @Leo impossible, the crystal has vanished. Or, dialogue, @Luna, calm down, there must surely be clues left. This way, the story will be much more natural and engaging. Therefore, when making a complete AI video, I usually divide each scene into 4 main parts. Action, what the character does. Dialogue, what the character says. Camera angle, camera movements. Audio, music, sound effects, and environment. Just adding the dialogue section significantly increases the video quality, especially for storytelling videos with multiple characters interacting with each other. And that is the entire basic workflow for creating character-consistent videos using the G-Labs automation software. You can generate a batch of videos with the same character without needing too much manual editing, while also saving a considerable amount of content production time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss new tutorials on automation, AI video creation, and building automated content production systems. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.